Today I am going to show you how to create this 3D text effect in Canva. So let's start. First of all, click on create a design and take YouTube thumbnail page from here. Click on the first one. After that, take your image. Set image as background. After that, add a page. Click on text, add a text, and write here river because I am making text effect on river, so that's why. And now change the writing to Anton. Change the color black to white, and now download this as a transparent background. Select page to download. Okay, so after downloading, drag this to your upload section and click on apps and search here transform image and click on the first one. And click on choose file and add your text here. Now you can edit this, like you can do this like this. After adjusting, click on add to design. So here you can see that this image is added to our design. Adjust this. And now go on elements. Go on right here shadow. After that, go on graphics and then click on this one, but not this one. Take this one and adjust this. And three dot, click on three dot, go on layer, send this to backward. Okay, so now we have to add a shadow. Click on your image, duplicate this and flip vertical. After that, adjust this. Okay, so after that, click on edit image and go on apps and click next and click on Liquify. After that, make sure you have clicked on this image. Click on melt and now right here you can see, and you have to see 0.20 do a melt amount 0.20 and do a scale some 0.63 and save. After that, click on this and lower the transparency of this text. Now your text effect is ready. You can download this. Subscribe if you want to learn more about Canva.